Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
So let's start with the concept of external. In the previous concept of internal economies and diseconomies, I was talking about a company called X. So there was a company called as X who is increasing the production, and because of increase in production, if company's X average cost is falling, then we will term it as economies. And if company X average cost is rising, then we will term it as diseconomies. And we were discussing that all those economies and diseconomies that was occurring, it was because of the factor which were within the organization. So it was within the organization, which means the production was increased by company X and the benefit was also received by company X. Benefit, or even we can say the losses that was occurring, it was also with company X. Now imagine there is an industrial area and there are lots of company just like X. There is a company called as A, there is a company called as B, C, D. There are lots of company, and all companies, let me just name it around 10, E, F, G, H, one is X and another is I. So there are total 10 companies. If all companies are increasing their production, which means the whole industry is increasing the output, and there is a possibility because of increasing the industrial output, there will be supporting industries that will set up just close to this industrial area. Maybe there is a possibility there is a company called as M which provides raw material that will set up just closer to the industrial area. There is a company called as N which will also set up nearby to that industrial area. There will be a transport company which will set up over there. There will be a electricity company that will set up over there. There will be certain institute, educational institute, which will provide a skilled course based on the industrial area. So all this supporting factor will start working, and because of that the whole industry will start having an advantage. There is a possibility because of increase in the output of whole industry, you can get a skilled labor. You don't need to train just because the whole industry is increasing the output. So all labor will be quite skilled. Even you can get easily raw material because all the raw material company will be nearby. You can get supporting industry, or even you can say ancillary industries that will start setting up nearby. You can get a better transport system, better marketing system, banking system. All this will get just closer to that industrial area because the whole industrial output or industrial area is growing, and all the supporting factor will come into the picture. Because of all this, what you will notice, average cost will start once again falling, but this time it is not because of a specific company, it is because of the whole industry. And the fall in average cost won't be also of a company X only, it will be of A, B, C, D, all the industrial unit. This means this is a kind of a benefit which is not within the organization, it is because of the overall industry, it is outside of the organization. Henceforth this kind of benefit will be termed as external economies. External economies are nothing but a benefit which an organization receives because the whole industrial unit is increasing the output. But in a case of internal economies, there is only one industry which is increasing the output. And in the same manner, just like in a case of internal, there are diseconomies because management problem occur. In the same manner, the whole industry might face diseconomies if there are certain problem like an infrastructure problem, there might be a problem of shortage of raw material, there might be a problem of no availability of skilled labor, and then there is a possibility of diseconomies. But this diseconomies will be termed as external. So previously we have covered with the concept of internal, in which I was discussing regarding an organization is increasing the output, and because of increasing the output, the benefit as well as the losses both were received by the organization itself. But in a case of external, It is not only one organization who will receive, it is the benefit will be received by all the organization. Even the losses that will be suffered won't be of only one organization, it will be of the whole industrial unit, industrial area. So this kind of benefit or this kind of losses if occur, which is not specific to any kind of business unit, then it will be termed as external economies and diseconomies. Okay, so we have even covered the concept of external economies and diseconomies. Now, one more thing that I want to share with you people, that is a small distinguish between internal and external. So that will provide you quite a clarity between internal and external. So internal economies and diseconomies on one side, external economies and diseconomies on the other side. Internal economies occur or internal diseconomy occur if form a single firm. Let me write it. A single firm is increasing the output and benefit as well as losses is enjoyed by that single firm. So if company X is increasing the output, then the benefit and losses will also be enjoyed by the company X itself. That will be internal economies and diseconomies. So firm is increasing the output and benefits as well as losses is enjoyed by the firm itself. But in the case of external, all firm, not a single firm, but all firms increase the output and benefit as well as the losses will be enjoyed, but not by a single firm, enjoyed by all firm. Means there will be a industrial area where there will be lots of companies and all these companies are increasing the production. And if all companies are increasing the production, then what you will see, there will be a possibility of benefit or even there will be a possibility of a loss, but it will be enjoyed by all firm, not a single firm, by all firm. Then it will be termed as external. So here what we are noticing, there is a single firm, and what we are noticing over here, all firms enjoyed by only a single firm, and over here enjoyed by all firms. So this is how you can get a idea which one will be an internal one or which one will be an external one. One more important point which might be a MCQ of your CA foundation, that is internal economies and diseconomies occur because of size of output, size of business. Means an organization is increasing the output of itself. But external is not because of a size of business, it is because of a location. If you are located within that industrial area, then you might enjoy the benefit and losses. It is because of location. This is because of size and this is because of location. Okay. So this is one more thing that I want to give a clarity regarding what will be internal economy, how you will be able to identify internal one and external one. So I think so I made it very clear and simple. Internal economies and diseconomies, as well as on the other side external economies and diseconomies. Okay, so you want an explanation regarding external. Chandana, let me ask you a simple question. If you can see the slide, I have written over there external economies and diseconomies, and after that I have written all firms. Now when I say all firm means there is an industrial area. You can take the example of Surat. In Surat there is a diamond park where all diamond business people do their business, and there is not one single company that is doing a business over there. There are lots of companies, and because of that there are number of business unit over there. Now if all companies, all diamond business companies starts increasing their production, then they will easily get a kind of machines that are available within the market. They can get easily loan, banking facility, transport facility, all that kind of stuff. Now this kind of benefit that organization receive will it be received by one firm or will it be received by all firms? Even I can take the example of Bangalore. In Bangalore, there is an IT hub. So what you will notice, many of the IT organizations are present in the Bangalore. Now, tell me, do I need to train any kind of a person in Bangalore for the IT purpose, or will I get it easily because just there is a big business of IT over there? Do I need to train them? Technically won't. Yes, because everyone knows there is an IT hub over there. That is why all IT employees or IT people are doing business over there. So if one leaves one organization, then easily that person will get an recruitment in another organization. So there is no that much training required in order to explain how the process work. So the training cost will get reduced of those companies. Even easily or software technology park that are available within the Bangalore are also an easy way supporting factor that will help an organization to reduce the cost. So those are the kind of benefit that are external, that are not internal to a specific organization. Those kind of benefit will be enjoyed by all the Bangalore industry. It won't be like that there is only one Bangalore firm that will be able to enjoy. So these kind of benefit that an organization receives is external to them, is not because of their internal things. That is why it is termed as external economies and diseconomies. Okay, so I have covered the topic of internal economies and external economies, as well as internal diseconomies and external diseconomies for the current session. In the coming session, I will be trying to cover the concept regarding theory of production and cost, as well as there is a price determination. That is chapter 3 and 4. I am trying to cover as much as I will be possible. But I hope you are clear with the today's concept. Now, one more important thing for you people, if you have any kind of a query that you want to put it, we have a portal in which you can put your queries, and within a time period you will get your response. So you can go to the LearnCab site. Over there is a WhatsApp number. Over there you can put your portal. If you have any kind of MCQ that you have practiced and you are not clear with the answer, why this answer is there, why this one is not there, you can put it in the chat box over there, and you will get a answer of that within a time period, and that will help you out regarding your examination preparation, and it will be quite handy for you people. So we have developed a portal for that purpose. You can go to over there, and there are many more stuff that is available on the website. Go and check it out. It will really help you out for your CA foundation. I'm signing off today and ending the session. That's it for today. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.